welcome back to my channel, Govin English Teacher. Today, one person is here and is from Bihar. And please introduce yourself, sir.
So, hello everyone and good morning, Govind sir. My name is Abhishek and like my birthplace is Bihar, but I live in Jharkhand. It is called Nald of Forest and Natural Resources, and I belong to coal capital of India, Dhanbad. Right now, I'm in second year and doing my BSc Maths as a second year student. And my future goal is to join armed forces, and I will do best for this. And whatever will happen in my future, I will accept for that. And right now, I'm here to practice English and to get improvement and to get some feedback and things from Sir Govind sir.
Thank you for your brief introduction. And here, a person from Bihar is a student of second year graduation, and he would like to learn English communication skills. That's the reason he is here. And he's very passionate to learn English language. He's trying to practice with different people, and he asked me to talk with me. That's the reason we are here. Sir Abhishek, sir, and yeah. So when did you start your English language learning journey?
Sir, this journey started after my 12th when I started preparing for my ND examination. After clearing those exams, I need to appear in the SSB interview, and the language of interview was English. So this journey started in June of 2023.
So in the beginning, when you started your journey to be a good communicator, and what were your problems and how you overcame all the problems? Okay, generally because initially many people, people who want to speak English, those who want to speak well, they would have faced too many problems initially. So what were the problems you have faced in your earlier stage, in the beginning stage?
Sir, as in a beginner stage, the biggest problem which I have to suffer was the framing of sentence. When I started speaking, I need to frame the sentence in my mind, and for that I used to stammer a lot. The second was the bringing the good amount of vocabularies in my mind. Initially, I was just using the normal words which are present in the Oxford book, but learning vocabularies was difficult for me. And then after learning, bringing those words in my daily conversation was difficulties. So those things are the initial things which I suffered. But now I'm done a good things on that, and now I'm able to talk.
Yes, yes. So many people think like that they would like to learn new words, but merely learning the new words is not important. No, you have to know the how to use, way to use, and those new words have to be used in the day-to-day work of life. Then it will be effective and efficient. Then, and those who want to develop communication skills, and they have to learn new words. Also, try to use those words into day-to-day work of life. And then the words will be forever with them. So that's reason to enhance one's vocabulary, to enhance one's communication skills, and one should be very talented to use in new words. And that is a very important how Abhishek is trying to make use of the new word. What are your experience in learning English language, and how do you feel when you're speaking in English language?
So, sir, initially when one try to speak this language, one fears from speaking with others. He feel not as much confident, and sometimes he do a lot of stammering in the conversation. So for that, one need to be confident that we are not the natives of this language. We will commit a mistake, and mistakes are the initial stage which one can bring, and these things bring the learning. And if I talk about the bringing new words in our vocabulary, yes, initially, as sir has told, it will be difficult for us. But the one fundamental thing that we will have to make our mind habituated for those words. Once these words will be in our subconscious, then it will be normal for us, just as we speak in English and bring the normal words. So learning those words, what I have done that initially I learned every day 5 to 6 new words, write those words in the mind copy and diary, and try to bring those words in vocabulary. And I continue this for like 3 to 4 months, and now I'm able to bring those words in my mind and in my sentence because those words are in my subconscious. So I will say that practice as sir has mentioned me earlier, that practice, but better practice makes a man perfect. Perfect practice makes a man perfect.
Yes, perfect focused. A purposeful practice with a determination is important. For that only you one have to have a lot of patience and passion. That patience and passion that makes us to be a good communicator. And now, Abhishek, I think you are very confident. Initially, you were not that confident, I think, because every day you are learning 5 new words and you are trying to make use of those words in your day-to-day work of life. That's very important. And those who want to develop communication skills, one should have to learn new words, at least 5 words So merely learning new words is not important. We have to make use of those words into our daily conversation. Then the words will be forever with us. And what Abhishek has been doing, the same thing one has to do to be a fluent speaker, good communicator, like that. So, what are the suggestions that you're going to give the new learners, those who want to learn English communication skills?
So, sir, if you want to learn English and if you want to be a speaker of this language for any purpose, the first thing that yes, you will have to be aware from the grammatical things like tense, voice, narration. These are the fundamental things. The second, that you will have to be habituated that how to frame the sentence by writing any article. If you are like learned all the grammatical things, you are able to write article, then after that you should start narrating your the past experience of life in your own words and start recording in your phone, narrating before your friends, family and mirror. Then after you will have to you can go to any apps or any other places where you can start your practice English speaking practice. So these steps I have followed, and also reading newspaper, watching English videos, and talking with such teachers who can guide you will be very helpful for us.
One important point we have to think that is the confidence. Confidence plays a vital role in the communication skills. Lack of confidence, whatever the knowledge you have, one has. But he may not speak, she may not speak because lack of confidence. So confidence comes only by practice. So in the practice, and while you are practicing, we have to face many difficulties and many distractions. But try to practice and use the time proper way, and with like-minded people, and don't think too much of grammar, and also just fundamental grammar, so tenses and voices like that. No, a simple fundamental grammar is important. So that fundamental grammar. That boost ups of confidence, that's with that confidence, and one can be fluent speaker, and like that, and anyone can learn art of speaking. Anyone can be a fluent speaker, and by following these methods. And what are things you want to mention? Would you like to add some more things to be a fluent speaker?
Sir, the basic things which I already mentioned, that initially you will commit mistakes, but for that you don't have to lose your confidence, because those mistakes will give learnings, and that confidence which will bring you a good speaker in future. So practice, and mistakes will be common, no worries. All mistakes will be done by the speaker who is speaking right now, who is trying to learn. Everyone will commit mistakes, and practice those mistakes will bring you learning. So be confident. And second, which I would like to say, that if you are able to right now speaking, so try to bring new words, because those new words, those new vocabularies will make you from like beginner to intermediate to advanced. So those things I will have to say. And yes, practice, regular practice and consistent will be important for you. If you are trying to get a job, practice in those perspectives that you are getting a job. If you are preparing for an exam, practice in that way. So I believe that what I have observed and guided, I have approached RRR approach, means right effort in right direction in right time. If these three things is linked in your practice, you will be do anything which you want to do.
If anybody wants to be a good fluent speaker, and one has to practice a similar formula to be a great communicator.
So I would like to add one more point, sir, if it is possible. Sir, we all know that we have to be disciplined, but we don't know the actual meaning of discipline. There is a mathematical formula that why we need to be 100% in discipline. As we all know that the spell of disciplining, DISCIPLINE. D comes on the fourth letter of English position, I on ninth, S on 19. So in this way, if you sum all the letters, all the position, it becomes 100. So discipline word is itself 100 in itself. So if you want to be disciplined, you will have to be 100%. Even the word in 100. So why you believe that even 99.9 is okay? No, you will have to be 100 just like the word.
Wonderful your expression, experience, and thank you once again. Bye. Good luck.